Logix Power MR is a leader in solar plant management and solar integration. We are providing solar plant management and asset management to 25,000 plus plants and covering 7 gigawatt of portfolio. From EMS to SCADA to PPC and DG Sync Zero Export solutions along with the battery integration. We have one unified ecosystem and providing solution to all the stakeholders including plant owners, EPCs, O&M personals and developers. It helps them by doing real-time analytics, reducing their downtime. This is just not only capturing data, we are providing data-driven analytics and moving from reactive maintenance to proactive maintenance. So the stakeholders are basically able to reduce their O&M cost and operational cost by huge margins. Recently, we have come out with the custom theme dashboards. Like we said, we are providing solutions with respect to SCADA, PPC, DG Sync, Zero Export, weather stations. So we have a custom theme dashboard for each and every segment, and finally they cover up in one unified ecosystem. So that is one. Then we are the ones who are providing the data uptime is 99.99%, while we take care of the server redundancy as well. There is a data frequency up to 1 minute interval as well. And 5-year data we are providing to the clients, and the data is being fetched on real time actually with no delays. Recently we have come out with a breakthrough technology in yours hardware and our software. Give us any hardware, any inverter stick, and our system is hardware agnostic. We are driving it through API interoperability, and we can connect any asset, like it can be inverter, your meter, your weather sensors, relays, switch gears, and all will connect. Further, the API interoperability provides comfort to the asset owners and the developers by the cost efficiency, because the load on the customer becomes very less while we are providing the API interoperability. It's a complete unified ecosystem wherein we can connect anything, anywhere, and with endless possibilities.